in a big heart. And I am grateful to the Sacco Committee, our assistants who have become leaders right now, amazing. Our elders, Halim, I'll never stop thanking you, you know that. When we go to meet the OWC and then went to Gulu and when these things happened, but you at the very beginning, you're our foundation. So thank you, MSC, for doing that for UMA. We came from rumor to becoming a pressure group, then to becoming an association that registers individuals, to now UMAs that registers all the other artist associations. So while we go into that journey, you want to get a full association tetukyali divided, twagenda eggulu ne tukubaganya ebirowoozo ne tuyomba ne tutereera byonna ne tubikola. At the end of the day buli omu nakkiriza nti UMA is ready and has the structures to become UMAs, which is the Uganda Musicians Association. So all associations right now are supposed to plug in under UMA. So as we go through that process, we'd like to thank MSC for being there through every bit of the journey. I'm going to take this opportunity to update the media in Uganda with what is going on right now. So recently we were in Gulu, a lot of us went, and we were studying, and mostly what I got as a person is that we were studying how to change our mindset. Bayimbinga Ruchi Weyagambe try to manage to get our money into, that's how our money comes into the net. We were not used to saving, we were not used to not having money and going days without, we didn't plan. The watch planning it. So generally our mindset was changed about how to handle money, how to prepare for the future, and that's what we got in Gulu. And that is just my version. Also batuyigiriza the structure. So that is the structure that we got to understand when we were in Gulu. And when we came, we talked about Kampala, the 60 million from NCF that was supposed to empower, that is empowering the structures as UMA. So before twalina offices ngaziri based on abantu tumeetingidde different places would meet nga bwolaba leero piato nga tewali offices. So UMA ey'omusente ena office naye nga ey'embalala ey'emityana ey'embale ey'esoroti ey'eggulu teyina an actual physical office. So batuweeza essente the 60 million to start up on the structures, and it has been doing an amazing job. I'd like to really thank our treasury team because they're trying to okusobola okumala naye ekituufu kiri nti at the end of the day the 60 million tezitumala. And at the moment we have 14 clusters. Would like to establish the 14 offices, but also we identified 4 more major clusters that we have to go through, and that makes it 18 clusters. So it is about ziri nnungi era ziri tuyamba naye tezikola ki tezimala era njagala kwogera wano in front of our friends and our well wishes and our catalysts, the MSC, that we would love to have a little more support with that area, with just the next tour that we get on to add more clusters, and also to get more 18 clusters at least, and then help us to establish all those offices. So far that's what we've been able to do. Today we're excited. I am excited about what we are receiving from MSC, whatever they're going to say. And I'm going to be listening to everything they're going to say, because it's going to determine where we're going to move forward from now. And now that I know the whole country is watching and all our leaders everywhere are watching, I'd like to encourage you, it's not an easy process. All of us came into this job because we had a smart mind and a big heart, not because we knew what we were doing, but we had the passion for it. Fina we are being in a city so many associations was Kolabatia. Same thing. Some people have the experience. Katinga Halima has dealt with NGOs before, so ina magezi tour, ina policy board, ina magezi tour, but nobody understood what they were doing. But we were willing. So we are learning along the way, and we are getting better every day. So now all UMA offices, all artists all over the country who are looking at UMA right now, hold on a little bit, give us a bit more time, but trust that we have an amazing mind and a big heart for all of you. Thank you.